Hello everyone, welcome to Food for Thought Dom Gamut, a math and cooking tutorial.
Hello guys, here is a problem to be solved. Negative 4x squared plus 24x is equal to 40. We transform this expression to ax squared plus bx is equal to c. Where negative 4x squared is the ax squared and positive 24x is the bx and 40 is the constant c. Now, let us rewrite the original equation. Then we divide negative 4 to all the terms, both sides. Then simplify. Negative 4x squared over negative 4 is equal to x squared. 24x over negative 4 is negative 6x. 40 divided by negative 4 is negative 10. By the expression, add a square of half the coefficient of x to both sides of the equation by the formula bracket b over 2 bracket squared is equal to bracket b is 6 over 2 bracket squared is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3 squared is equal to 9. So we add 9 to both sides, then simplify. After then, equate to 0. Now in this expression, we're gonna use the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b, positive negative, the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Where a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 6, and c is equal to 10. Go ahead and plug in the above values of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. Then simplify. Note that square root of 4 times square root of negative 1 is the same as square root of negative 4, where square root of negative 1 is equal to I, the imaginary number. Now we got the value of x is equal to 3 plus negative I, or this will be written as 3 plus I and 3 minus I. So these are the final answer. But in this case, the values are in the form of complex, where the expression is undefined in the set of real numbers. Where x is not the element of the real numbers.
If you liked, enjoyed, and learned from this video, consider subscribing to my channel, like, share, and hit the bell for more exciting math topic video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day to everyone. Happy learning!